I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I just received my Archer and Olive subscription box. So Archer and Olive is like a stationery company. They sell notebooks and pens and just gorgeous supplies. And I am signed up for their subscription service. So I think it's about every 3 months, every quarter, you receive a subscription box. And I know that there are already unboxings out there. I have managed to not see any of the unboxings. I wanted to be surprised when I opened my box. So if you want to be surprised when your box arrives, then you definitely should stop watching now. If you're interested in checking out what is inside this box, you can continue watching. This box is still available over at Archer and Olive, so you can see what's inside and see if you're interested. All right, let's go. Okay, first of all, I just love this blue box. It is gorgeous. It says beauty comes from the inside. Archer and Olive. Let's see. Oh my goodness. You guys, look at how pretty. Okay, this is a pen and accessory bag in blue. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's gonna come in so useful. All those pen loops. What's on this side? Oh my goodness, you guys, you can just carry all of your favorite pens in there around. I love it. And it kind of expands out. It's got your little handle here. That is really, really cute. I love that. That is super cute. Okay, let's see what else. All right, this one has this beautiful wax seal that I want to be careful with. And this envelope, I have the power to create change. So it's just a print that you can use to decorate. You can put it inside your notebook. I love the envelope. You can definitely reuse that. That is super pretty. Oh, that's I like the color scheme. I like the blues. Okay, let me go grab something to open this up. Okay, it kind of looks like all of the boxes are smaller this time. So this one says it is a dot grid notebook, and look how tiny it is. Let's see. Oh, you guys, look how cute. It is a tiny little dot grid notebook in a dark blue. That is cute. Oh my goodness. For throwing in your purse, making a little list. This is like a list maker's dream, I feel like, because it is so tiny. Maybe 4 by 5, maybe. Probably not even quite that big. That is cute. Oh, I really like that. Okay, so we'll move that to this side. That is adorable. Let's check out what's in here. Weekly calendar sticker roll. Let's see what this has. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is for, I'm a little bit nervous to open it up. Let's cut right here. Okay, so we have a sticker roll here for setting up the calendar. So it has all these, you have the little notes, you could do a habit tracker. That's a lot of stickers, you guys. That's gonna be a ton. That's cool. I'm not totally sure how I'm going to use that, especially because it feels like you'd have to have a special pen because it's kind of slick on the outside. So I'll have to see. I'm not sure how I'm going to use that particular item. Okay, let's check out this one. This one is a Blackout book in a tiny, tiny, tiny size. Let's see here. I love these little tiny books. They're so good for on the go. Boop. How stinking adorable. And it's blackout and it has dot grid. You guys, that's just so fun and different. I am digging that. That is cute. I love, love, love these. These are adorable in the little sizes. I really like them. And it's something different that I feel like we haven't seen. And this one is a craft paper. Okay, so we have all 3 different kinds of paper. Craft paper, probably my least favorite, just because I'm not used to it maybe. Don't use it a whole lot, but I totally dig this cover. This is probably my favorite cover. And then the craft paper with the dot grid on the inside. For real, I feel like these are just begging to be filled up with like lists or to write down little quotes, like funny things your kids say when you're just like out and about, because you could just throw this in your purse and that would be such a fun way to like remember those little moments. Okay, 3 little notebooks. And then this one says Calligraph, brush, pens, and practice lettering set. This is a new product. Let's check this out. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's a set of pens, brush lettering guide. I am creating the life of my dreams. So 3 brush lettering guides to kind of give you some inspiration. And then you have these beautiful pens. All right, let's check it out. So on one side, you have your brush tip in a larger size. And then this one's a little bit smaller, a little bit more of a bullet tip. Okay, I'm going to pull out paper. Let me go grab some paper. Okay, before we see what else is in the box, I kind of just want to try these pens. So this one is like a gray. Oh yeah. That's nice. Let's see how. That is like a taupey gray, I feel like. It's not totally gray. It definitely has some warm tones in it. Let's try. That is a pretty blue. I feel like they're different colors on either end. Like those 2 don't match and those 2 don't match. So that's interesting. I don't feel like they are the same. Let me know if I'm like crazy, but I think they're slightly different. So you have that side, and then here it is in the smaller one. Like in general, I feel like the smaller side is a little bit darker than the top side. Let's try this. Oh, that's a pretty blue. Oh, that one's super pretty. Those 2 probably match the best. But these, like, those are different. Different colors. Okay, let's try this kind of blush color. That is pretty. Yeah, so the 2 sides are kind of different colors. I don't think that they are supposed to be, but they're definitely coming out as different colors. I think it's fun. I'll be interested to play with these, see how they compare to like Tombow lettering. I kind of assume that this means Archer and Olive is going to start coming out with some more lettering sets. So I usually love their colors. I'm not super pumped that it's a different color on either end because I don't think that is what is intended. So that'll be interesting to kind of see how that quality control turns out. But so that is the Calligraph brush pen set. And then let's see what else we have in here. We have a sticker book, 3 sheets, matte clear stickers. So you have numbers. Those are fun. These are beautiful stickers. 2 sets of that one. And then, oh, it's more than 3 sheets. It says 3 sheets, but it's 6 sheets. Those 2 are the same. Then you have, it's 2 of the same of each one, 3 different ones. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I like the corner pieces. But again, these are going to be like a little bit tricky to write on. Maybe they are matte, smooth matte. We'll see how that goes. And oh, those are pretty too. Pretty sticker book. Let's see what is in here. Adhesive pockets. Oh, look at that. So there's adhesive on the back. It's a little pocket that you could put inside your notebooks to like hold things. Sticker sheets, maybe. Extra receipts. That's pretty color. Then you have this minty green and this kind of eggshell blue. Those are super pretty. And then last but not least, you have some coloring pages. Let's see what these look like. I like the sleeve that they came in. Totally gonna cut this apart and use it as a stencil because come on. You have some beautiful gemstones, kind of a Zentangle look there. These are fun. Oh, look at the cat. That's pretty. All right, so some fun, kind of relaxing. I feel like this whole box has this like relaxing vibe just because it's all in the blues and you can color and you got stickers, all of the things that relax me. So you got the coloring sheets, you have the adhesive envelopes, the sticker sheets, the pen set, which I'm super excited to try, 3 separate notebooks, which is awesome. And I like the size. I think that's fun. Got the weekly calendar sticker roll, this pen pouch right here, which is pretty darn cute, and the artwork, the print. Guys, that's a lot of stuff in that box. I think this was a pretty darn good box from Archer and Olive. I'm excited to start playing with those tiny notebooks. I think that those are super cute. And then to see how those Calligraph markers work out. So those are going to be really interesting, and I'll be excited to see what other colors they start carrying. Let me know below if you ordered the Archer and Olive subscription box and what you think of it if you have received it. I will link it down below. That is not an affiliate link. I am not affiliated with Archer and Olive. I just happen to really like their products. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. A huge shout out to my Scrappy YouTube members. Thank you so much for your monthly support. You guys are awesome. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.